No. 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 Damn you, Saf. I'm here for my revenge.
Happy to beat you again. So a couple of years ago, I challenged E to a game of Pac-Man on the OnePlus Nord 2 Pac-Man edition. And after beating him, he's seeking revenge, but this time we're going to make it more exciting. Pac-Man was fun on the Nord 2, but we have here the brand new OnePlus 12R, which is a device that is built for performance, so we can take the rematch to the next level. But before we do that, let's take a closer look at what it offers. And here it is. We've got it in the cool blue, but it's also available in an iron gray. It's got an IP64 water and dust resistant rating. And something that's new here is the position of the alert slider, which is now on the left side. So when you do have it in landscape mode, firstly, it's more accessible, so you can switch easily. But as well as that, OnePlus has managed to change the position of the antennas, and this will help increase their performance when you do have the device in landscape mode. Now for the challenge, we have 3 games to really see how the OnePlus 12R handles them and to see which one of us will be victorious.
I will be victorious.
It's gonna be me. Yeah. It's obviously gonna be me.
Of course it's me.
It's me.
Nah.
Like, you lost already, so this is already the second video.
I mean, you're playing the game for an old guy like you, so.
You're older than me anyway, but let's go. So the first game we're gonna play, of course, is Call of Duty. We're doing a team deathmatch. We're going to be on the same team and we're going to see who's going to get the most kills.
I will.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. 2 kills.
4.
So,
oh, no way. That guy took me out?
Haha. A death counts as a minus kill.
No, it does not.
Ah! Got sniped. I got sniped.
Took double kill. Oh, God. That guy
Another
took me
UAV.
out.
Thanks to me.
Okay. I'm in the zone. I'm in the zone.
What zone? Losing zone. Predator missile kill.
Okay.
Oh, we're done. Okay, let's see. Let's see.
Ooh. Ooh.
That was intense. MVP! Oh no! Won't
Yes.
work again. That was all thanks to my UAVs. I should have helped you out. I should not have helped you out.
Okay.
All right, let's see how close the kills were. Okay, 18 kills.
20.
All right, it was close. It was close. All right, 18 and 20 kills. So, I mean,
all right.
it was thanks to my UAVs, obviously.
How many thanks to UAVs? You still couldn't kill the guys anyway.
I was giving you the support that you needed.
See, that's what
without
he said.
which you would not have, would not got those 2 extra kills. But it was close. It's not over. It's not over till it's over. All right. I didn't hear no bell, so we've got 2 more rounds.
All right, let's do this.
Let's do this. Before we get to the second round, let me tell you about the display and performance of the OnePlus 12R. Now, for excellent gaming performance, you need an excellent display, and the OnePlus 12R comes with a 6.78-inch AMOLED ProXDR display with LTPO 4.0 technology. This means that it can switch between 1Hz and 120Hz refresh rates quicker and smarter than ever. Not only that, the touch response rate is now up to 1000 Hz. So when you are gaming, every touch is going to be instant. Now, to manage all of those pixels and that refresh rate, we need excellent performance. And the OnePlus 12R comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform. We also have a new cryo velocity cooling system. This system is made up of 2 vapor chambers, 1 large and 1 small. And the total area is now more than 76% bigger than the one you'll find inside the OnePlus 11R. This means that you're going to be able to get longer sustained performance. You can be gaming on this for hours and it's going to be absolutely fine. Back to round 2. So the second game we have is
Shadow Fight 4 Arena. Ooh, I can't wait.
Okay, let's see who is victorious.
Okay, it's gonna be a second beatdown, guys.
Okay, round 1.
Okay. Double kick. 1, 2. Let's take him out. Oh man, he's coming back though.
I've got like a slither of life left.
Oh shoot, she's actually. I won. That was
That
close.
was very close though. That was very close.
I don't know. You just
But
had,
you've
like
not
a
won
rally
yet.
back.
We've got two rounds to go.
Man. Oof.
First strike.
Ooh. Critical counter. There we go.
Critical hit.
Oh, he took
There
me
you
out
go.
of that.
Come on. It's close. It's close.
No. Okay. No. You're. It looks like. Come on. Don't.
Kick.
Oh. Snap.
Self-destruct. Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Final round.
I'm still hanging on.
Final
I need to
round.
win this final round so we can get onto the third round.
Take him out.
There we go. 2 combo. Yes. No, actually, you hang that. You know what? We should have done different characters because right now I can't tell who's who. I'm gonna do the same move over and over again.
Nah, he's just spamming. Oh, look at that. Ah.
What just happened there? Wait, hold on.
You won.
Draw!
Oh! Yes!
Draw!
Yes!
Okay. So, this is
I
interesting.
thought I lost.
Now that this is a draw, it's 1-E. The second game has been a draw, so the final one will be the decider now. It's very close so far, and before the decider, the final round, let's look at some of the other highlights of the OnePlus 12R. We've got Bluetooth 5.3 as well as Wi-Fi 7. So if you do have a compatible router, you're going to be able to get the maximum speeds for your gaming. Dual stereo speakers, which sound really good. So you're not necessarily going to need to use earphones. But if you do have noise cancellation support as well as Dolby Atmos. Now let's talk about the battery because this has one of the biggest batteries that you're going to find out there. 5,500 milliamps. Now this is impressive because firstly, this only weighs just over 200 grams. So they've managed to fit in a very big battery in this compact form factor. But having that large size battery means that you're going to be able to game for hours and hours without having to charge. And when you do need to charge, you have that included 100 watt SuperVooC charger. That's going to get you from 1 to 100% in just 26 minutes. Now, just because this is a smartphone that's focused on performance in gaming doesn't mean it has to have bad cameras. We've got some flagship cameras on here as well, a 50 megapixel primary camera with a Sony IMX890 sensor, and we've got an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and that uses the Sony IMX355 sensor. We've also got a bonus macro camera as well as a 16 megapixel front facing camera. All of this is going to be priced at £650. Prices will be different in different regions, so there will be a link down in the description below. And now that you know everything you need to know about the OnePlus 12R, let's finish this with the final round. So for the final game, we have Real Racing 3.
Yeah.
Should we do this? Are you ready to lose?
Oh, I'm ready to take home the glory.
All right, Real Racing 3.
Okay.
2, 1,
go. All right. I don't even know what track this is. Oh, I'm leading.
I have to win. It says I'm first though.
Oh no, you're not.
I'm not seeing any, like right now, I'm just racing on my own. Am I sure I'm in the right place?
No,
oh, he just went past me. Oh, there he is.
He's lagging.
I can see a ghost. Oh,
my ghost is just killing him. Oh yes, that's right. I'm channeling my inner, Sir Lewis Hamilton right now.
I think I've got an electric vehicle. That's what I need. I need an electric vehicle.
Oh, look at this lap time. Oh, okay, look, maybe I shouldn't talk too much. I was lost in there.
That was a close one. I could have got past you there, but
in your dreams, man. You watch my.
Where's my turbo? I need my turbo. Why does this not have a turbo?
Oh, this is.
Corner cutting penalty. I got a penalty. That's not fair.
Trying to cheat to win, and guess who's about to? But, okay, no, not yet. I thought that was the finish line. Yes!
Woohoo! Race complete.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful.
It wasn't by much. It was by about a few seconds.
Wait. What was your time?
2:22.
Yeah. 2:19.
Yeah. So
that is huge in the racing world, guys.
No, it's
huge.
not. Look, I let him win this time. He's been training hard, as you saw earlier in the video. He's been training very, very hard, and I felt bad for him. Maybe I should have worked a bit more on my training. But regardless, guys, the OnePlus 12R has handled all of these games absolutely perfectly.
Yes.
Not even warm to the touch.
Nope.
We've also been screen recording, but it's been nice and smooth, hasn't it?
It has been. I gotta give shout out to OnePlus for helping me train to get myself in gear, because the 12R is really solid, you know. Performance, smooth and great. Great touch sensitivity on the controls, especially playing, you know, Call of Duty and making sure I could beat SAF supremely.
It was very close. It was very close. Like 2 kills, nothing much in it. But anyway, guys, if you guys want to find out more about the OnePlus 12R, then there's going to be a link down in the description below. Now, remember, I've won one game and Enabong has won the other. So I'd call it a draw so far.
Please.
So I think we're going to have to do a part 3 at some time. What do you think?
Possibly. So I can take him down forever and we can just put up on the wall in my office how I
He's going to put up in his bedroom. That's how proud he was. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I found it useful. If you did, then do smash that like button for us. And do consider subscribing to my channel, not his. It's not that great, to be honest.
Wow. Don't listen to him, guys. Always, as I always say,
it's okay.
Thank you very much. Like and subscribe.
It's average.
Always enjoy it.
Just like his gameplay.
Oh, and who lost? Who lost?
I let you win.
Lost?
He's a guest in Leicester. I didn't want to let him like go sad again.
Who lost?
He's been thinking about this for the past 3 years.
Games.
He's been losing sleep. His wife's been telling me, Saf, you beat him. He's not slept since we've been married.
3 games and 3 losses.
So I had to do this. I did this.
See this?
I did this for his well-being because he's my friend.
Wow.
I let him win.
Wow. See what happens when? 3 losses. That's all I have to say. Just remember, guys, just go online and mention it. He lost 3
Overall,
times.
two out of the 2, we both won 1 each. We need the best out of 3. So we'll see you back in a couple of years.
Enjoy, guys.
All right. He doesn't even, he left me hanging there almost.
Oh, man. Okay.
Cool.